My, least favourite game again. Well, not least favourite, like a little bit least favourite because I'm not that thingy on it. Because, like, when I was on it, I was literally like, I need to get that app again. So, we just needed to do it. Couldn't wait. We just gotta keep waiting. Oh, you see this right here? This is a scam, don't trust. Let me check on the app. Is it just installed? Oh yeah, if you don't know what this is, it's Subway Surfers. So, well, I don't know what it's going to be like because, like I'm not new to this. I used to have loads of coins, but then I quitted the game because, like, it got very boring. I'm not actually 16. I'm 7. Does anybody remember this? What do I think I'm doing? Why are they doing this? I think I know what to do. I heard that you've also got to get ladders. It's seriously something to do. Another letter. That's when it gets hard. That was very tricky. Yeah. So far. Need to get the letter. Stay. My hand is literally shaking. Oh. I was doing this thing. I was good. Where's the finger where you gave me a finger? Let me see. It's... Oh well, I guess I'll try another round. I'm going to try and lose something. Well, it's actually really easy to lose something because I'm going to lose confidence. People might think I'm new, but I'm not. That's a letter as well. That was close. And jump over this, jump over that. That is so close. So fast. Oh, I need to get that letter. Oh, no. Okay, let's have a look. My brother used to hack and need to get more coins, but... Can I get any other characters? Why not just stick with this one? Ollie Moore's playing a train game. In a minute, trains might come. Do you want to watch me?
I give a bit now, Maya.
Oh, okay. Oh, I forgot you. I thought I would fit in the hole. Oh yeah, I forgot I'm recording. Silly Maya.
Oliver.